other got in my other bus. I had a 40-footer, and then it just shrank down. Go right in, man.
I'll follow you.
It's always a work in progress. These are my dogs. There's Mary Poopins and Ross. I do gemstones and minerals. Got a little food zone here. Upcycled lithium battery. 12-volt fridge right there.
You got solar?
Really well. Yeah. Oh yeah.
How much do you have?
I have 2 320 panels and about 100 amp hours.
Sure.
And this is more than enough for everything I need, you know. Video game, movies over here. Check it out. I got the water running. Yep, it's on right now. Got a little 12-volt pump. But when it gets cold, I have this little cubic stove. It's okay. It could do better.
Yeah, to me, the downside of the cubic minis is they don't hold over very long.
No, and you know, I had a big buzz, and I do miss having like a big one, but
yeah. But then again, I get up 3 times in the middle of the night anyway, so
yeah, you know, and just layer up, you know.
Yeah.
And then back here, I have a lapidary workshop.
Cool.
You know, I have the grinding wheels, trim saw, and some storage, and that's what I'm working with right now, man.
Yeah.
I used to have a lift, the wheelchair lift. It was customized to where you could bring a motorcycle in here, but I took it out because it was just really heavy.
Now, how is it transitioning from a full-size bus to a smaller bus?
It's been really nice. It's I just had a lot of things that I didn't need, and a lot of messes all over the place that that was just dragging around with me, and yeah, it's been good. I just realized that I don't need that much, you know.
Right. Yeah, my bus is not running correctly right now, and I've been thinking about downsizing. Maybe we'll see. Right now I got a tent trailer, so
I'm gonna stick with this one for now, you know, and just keep making art and make music and traveling around.
Sure.
It's gonna be a good time. They got a little water system here. I just get buckets here and just siphon into this one, so whenever homie goes to town, I just give him a bucket and to bring in, you know, dog water for washing, and this is great water right here.
Yep.
It's not too bad, man.
No, you get a nice little setup.
Thanks, man.
Right.
Yeah, dude, and they swapped when I got this, it comes with the 545, I think, but they swapped it for the 643,000 transmission. Right. So it's really nice. It goes up the hills really well. It's
I've got the 545. It's been pretty good, you know.
Yeah. I heard that one doesn't really have a lot of yeah, it just have a lot of good
there's thousands of them out there, so
yeah,
you know, hey, whatever works for people.
But yeah, man, what do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Cool, man. Thanks for checking it out. What's your name again?
My name's Steve.
Antonio.
Glad to meet you.